Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital business card for your Apple Wallet. First, download the app Pass to You Wallet from the App Store. Open the app and tap the plus icon to create a new pass. Select the business card template. Fill in your details like your name, company, title, phone number, email, and more. You can even upload a logo or profile picture to personalize your card. Customize the layout, colors, and style to match your brand. Once you're happy with your design, tap Save, then select Add to Apple Wallet. And just like that, your card is ready to go. And that's it. That's how to create a digital business card for your Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.